Whether in a meeting, public conference, during lectures, writing a book, or just found your eureka moment, how easy it could be to write when you want and transfer when you like. Our hectic schedule leaves us tired and time-starved to replicate our notes on PC, and many find it tasking too. Solo brings you the perfect solution that helps you to write, capture, and convert. A robust technology that not only saves time and energy but also reduces wasteful efforts. Introducing Bluetooth Digital Pen by Solo. This small and simple to use digital pen enables you to express your thoughts in your own handwriting and converts it to a digital file which can be simultaneously uploaded to your PC or laptop via Bluetooth or USB in no time. Install the software from the CD. Insert two SR41 batteries in the pen. Charge the base unit by connecting it to your PC via a USB cable. Now slide the new refill into the tip of the pen till it is lodged securely in place and turn on the base unit. Attach the base unit at the top center of the page. It works as a standard ball pen with ink refills easily available in the market. Hold the pen slightly above the tip to avert any signal blockage. Set the coordinates in alignment with the natural way of writing and start writing. The USP of this pen is that it is the only digital pen available in the market with Bluetooth connectivity. It is compatible with most Windows OS and Mac OS. You are provided with SDK for download to further developed Android and BlackBerry apps for your smartphones. This also gives you the comfort to express yourself in your own language. If you are a creative art director, an architect, or a doctor who wants to convert or digitize their notes, drawings, illustrations, or prescriptions in real time, then Solo's Bluetooth digital pen is your all-time companion. It can also be used as a mouse when switched to mouse mode. This portable handwriting capture device is ideal for those who are time-conscious. Enjoy the freedom to write, capture, and convert with Solo's Bluetooth digital pen. Hurry and get the power in your hands today.